And here we are going on the road. Yeah, what happened is we were waiting there. We were supposed to get the load at 1 o'clock, and the load was there the whole time. We called the dispatcher to ask about the load, and then she said the load was there since the morning, so we couldn't have to wait until 1 p.m. Oh boy. Anyways, we already on the road going down, and we got 7 hours to get to the destination. Going to North Carolina, and then from there we're going to Chicago, Illinois again with the critical load again. But at least we got this load to go to a good one. All right, let's go. And we are live again. Jesus Christ, we had an accident here. And we were stuck 0 miles per hour. Holy shit. Freaking pickup truck flipped. Oh my god, it's blocking the whole road. Looks like a Landstar truck is involved. Oh man. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck. Hope everybody's good. Jesus Christ. Wow. This is like the hood of the pickup truck here. Jesus Christ. Damn. Yeah, the tandem's it's grouped already. Oh boy. I feel bad for her because it's probably gonna be her fault, even if it's not her fault, it's gonna be her fault. Landstar truck. Damn. I don't even know what road is this. But yeah, just because I want to. Jesus Christ. They're mad because they're recording. I know it's sad, guys, but I'm in a public road, and nobody can stop me from recording. All right, let's go back to the truck. It was only material. Nobody's hurt. So, got everything stopped over here. Nobody's moving. Sheesh. Gonna stay here for a couple hours for sure. Because they're blocking the whole road. Just pulling the truck away to open the lane. Even the cops recording. Let's see. Can make it. Because the pickup truck is getting it's a rear wheel drive, so it's not working. It's not working. But we'll be free soon. Look at that. I think that's the driver for the Landstar truck. At the book. Oh boy, you're in trouble. Even if he's right, he's in trouble. It's always the fucking trucker's fault. Feel bad for him. All right, let's go back to the truck because the show is over. Let's go. I'm recording this just because she's trying to park right there. Okay, you can park right there. But look at this. Nothing here. Nothing here. Got this whole space here to park. Here, there, and where she wants to go? Right there in the middle of both trailers. Oh boy. The best. She's the best. That's the hard one. And here we are at the USA truck terminal. Not terminal, this is just a parking lot that they parked their trailer. But we're supposed to lift this trailer here that's loaded, and because the delivery is for tomorrow, and somebody that's local is gonna pick it up and bring it over to the place, and we're supposed to find an empty here. I don't know if this is empty, and then we gotta go 2 hours away to get the load going to Chicago, and we gotta be there tomorrow, so we can't stop. We won't stop. All right, guys, subscribe, give a like, comment, whatever, you know, just help us grow this channel. We're starting, so we're a baby. I know that it takes time, but you know, we need your help. So if you're just watching this, oh, I think this is empty. Oh, brand new trailer. Oh man, it's got stuff in it. Anyways, if you guys are watching this, let's help us grow this channel. We really appreciate. And let's go.